Welcome to my channel Fun with Nawab. Now we are going to learn about words starting from letter B. B for baby. B for bee. B for banana. B for bat. B for bat. B for blackboard. B for butterfly. B for bus. B for boy. B for brain. B for brick. B for bridge. B for bread. B for butter. B for bug. B for bird. B for box. B for bone. B for bear. B for bed. B for beard. B for blood. B for bicycle. B for belly. B for bank. B for belt. B for boot. B for boat. B for bottle. B for bowl. B for basket. B for bucket. B for bull. B for bush. B for building. B for brush. B for black. B for blue. B for branches. B for bike. B for bell. B for black pepper. B for bell pepper. B for brown. B for beach. B for brinjal. B for bench. B for beans. B for broccoli. B for button. B for buffalo. B for blueberry. B for beetle. B for bangles. B for blanket. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more educational videos.